Hello, and I thought I would ask the question as to what you would like to know. Is there a question that's been bugging you about Substance Painter, something you're not sure how to do or something you'd like to be able to do? Now, I can't promise I can answer every question because I don't know everything. I'm a firm believer that, as soon as you think you know everything about about something, you'll almost certainly find something you didn't think of. So yeah, ask me your questions. I can't, as I said, I can't promise I'll be able to answer every one of them, but I'll absolutely do my best to do so. And I'll create a video, I'll post it up, and fingers crossed it helps you out and you'll learn something. So I hope that's useful. Answer me in the comments down below, pop your question down there, and let's get making some videos. So I'll talk to you soon.